Sirikal kaunti ma Nairobi yudo seyo ewi daro jodak ma Woodley Estate eyo ma ok opuodhi ka Gavana Sakaja kod apisas mamoko itudo gi kelo jonjore madaro ji e ute kokalo eyo ma ok ni kare. Kanowuoyo e kinde mane gigolo milomego, jakom mochung'ne dongruok e kar dak ma Woodley Sam Gashago nowacho ni chenro ma kaunti mar daro ji gi thuon kapok jumani orumo en gino manochungi gi doho. Omedo wacho ni ute manodarie jomoko koro osemi joma moko machiegni kod sirikal kaunti no ka ji mamoko to koro sani odak gi luoro.
Residents of Woodley Estates are once again raising the alarm over fresh threats of illegal evictions and coordinated criminal acts allegedly being orchestrated by the Nairobi City County government. These latest threats marks a continued pattern of impunity by the Nairobi County government, which has repeatedly ignored High Court conservatory orders issued to Woodley Development Initiative and has violated the rights of residents using illegal brutal force to displace lawful tenants. These actions have often been executed under the instructions of Gavana Sakaja and Lydia Mafia, who has notoriously dismissed judicial orders as mere pieces of paper. We call upon the National Police Service to act decisively to protect the residents of Woodley from these illegal schemes. Law enforcement must prevent any attempted invasions and arrest those involved in unlawful activities. The residents of Woodley Estate will not be intimidated, and we will continue to defend our constitutional rights by all legal means.